Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to organize workflows with ClickUp. So in order to do that, just head over and I just choose in here what we'd like to choose ClickUp for. So for example, for this one, let's use this for personal. And then just choose just me, or you can also put in here some kind of number of your company. And then just choose in here a solution. And then how did you hear about us? And then in here you can put in here do you use any of these tools, so you can head over and then just choose which one you use, and then put in here, just put in here and name your actual workspace. Click on finish right here, and then once you have done that, you will be redirected to the ClickUp page wherein you should be able to see your tasks that you have. So as you can see, it's quite empty right now. Head over and click on this add task right here and then just name it. Then just add it on your to-do right here, which is actually the not sorted column. You can also add a description if you want to as well. Then click on this create task right here in order for this to be created. So as you can see, it's been added right here. You can see it on the end progress and also on the to-do page. You can also add another one or another group if you want as well. You can head over and edit it out as well if you want to. And you can also add another task or another list that you have for this case. So you can also click on this group options, or you can also collapse groups, automate status, edit statuses, and the likes in here as well. So you can see in here that I have two projects. The first project is project 2 and the second project is project 1. So you can head over and click on this add task right here in order to add a new task. When you click on the task that you have right now, you should be able to see this. So as you can see, it's on the status of to do. So on the next status is on progress, and on the next status it's on complete. So you can actually just click on this arrow right here in order to move this to the next status. You can also put in here a due date. So for example, it's due on Friday. You can also put in here a time estimate of this for be completed. So for example, let's put in here 1 hour. And then you can also put in here tags, like for example, logo. And then in here, you can put in here assignees. You can assign people to this case. For example, for this, I'll assign myself. And on the priority right here, you can make this urgent right here. And you can also track time using this one. And you click on this, you should be able to see how much time you spend on this particular task. Just click on the stop timer in order to stop it, and you can see in here the progress for this case. And as you can see, it's been updated in real time. You can also add custom fields, subtasks, checklists, assign comments, and attachments for this. So just move them along if you want, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.